Are we aware of the danger that threatens us from space? Most of us are familiar with the asteroid that struck Earth 65 million years ago, leading to the extinction of the dinosaurs. This naturally raises a critical question. Could such an event happen again, potentially signaling the end of humanity? Let's reflect on the early days of space exploration, when scientists first realized that asteroids, like the one that wiped out the dinosaurs, are not just a part of our past, but also a potential future threat. Thanks to technological advancements, we can now identify, map, and track all significant asteroids near Earth. Fortunately, these celestial giants, larger than a kilometer in diameter, do not pose an imminent threat to our planet. They are under constant surveillance, giving us time to react in case of a threat. But Earth is not entirely safe from asteroids. This particularly refers to smaller asteroids the size of cars or buses, which can be very dangerous and sometimes not detected early enough. The most problematic to detect are asteroids that come from the direction of the Sun. The Sun's light can easily overshadow these smaller rocks, making them invisible to our telescopes until they are dangerously close. The power of these small asteroids should not be underestimated. If we compare them to nuclear bombs, the impact of a car-sized asteroid can release energy similar to the bomb dropped on Hiroshima. This is a destructive force capable of wiping entire cities off the map. Take, for example, the asteroid that exploded over Tunguska in 1908, leveling 2,000 square kilometers of forest. And yes, it was only about 50 meters in size. Let's also remember the event in Chelyabinsk in 2013. A house-sized meteor surprised the entire world with its appearance and power. On the other hand, NASA's DART project showcases our progress. In 2022, this mission tested the ability to deflect an asteroid by having a probe collide with the asteroid Dimorphos, altering its course. As inhabitants of this blue planet, it's our responsibility to continue exploring and monitoring these celestial travelers. By understanding asteroids, we not only protect ourselves from potential dangers, but also learn more about our universe, a place that connects us all. Thank you for your ongoing support. Please give us a like and subscribe.